Okay, so now I got my face clean, my teeth are brushed, and I'm going to finish off my routine with these guys right here. So I have the Norwex eye cream. I just get a little bit on my finger here. Norwex Naturally Timeless eye cream. Where are you? There we go. Whatever. It's maybe not getting focused, but that's okay. It's late. That's why. So I put that on right like that. Grab the face serum, Norwex facial serum. Put a squirt of that on my fingers. And put it all over my face. Making sure I get it kind of in my laugh lines and creases. And just kind of dab it around. Okay, I want it to plump up the laugh lines here, which I feel very strongly that it has done over the last 6 years. And then here is my night cream. Here's the day cream. And love both of these, but I'll put my night cream on. So just a little goes a long way. We'll dab it on. We'll get that out of the way, I guess. That doesn't need to be there. Dab it on. And work it in. Feels so good. And then my last thing before I go to bed is this. My Norwex lip balm. You can see it's well traveled. And this is the flavor is pineapple coconut. It is wonderful. And now I'm ready for bed. I'm ready to go try out that new pillowcase.